Thinking about getting dental implants in America? Watch this before making a decision. Many people spend thousands of dollars on implants without fully understanding their options. The truth is, not every implant is the right implant for every person. Stay until the end because the last point could save you time, money, and future problems. Subscribe and join the journey because more dental education and 3D animations are coming. So, what implants should be installed? First, there isn't one perfect implant for everyone. The right choice depends on your jawbone, missing teeth, overall oral health, and treatment goals. If you're missing a single tooth, a single dental implant may be the most common solution. A titanium implant is placed into the jawbone, and after healing, a crown is attached to create a natural-looking tooth. But what if you're missing several teeth? Some patients may need multiple implants or an implant-supported bridge. Instead of replacing every tooth individually, several implants can support a larger restoration. Now let's talk about one of the most searched treatments in America right now, all-on for dental implants. All-on for uses 4 strategically placed implants to support a full set of teeth. Many people choose this option because it can restore an entire smile with fewer implants. You may also hear phrases like permanent teeth in 24 hours. Sounds amazing, right? In some situations, temporary teeth can sometimes be placed much faster than people expect. But every case is different, and healing time still matters. Now here's something many people don't realize. The most expensive option is not automatically the best option. Some people need additional procedures like bone grafting before implants can be placed. Others may have enough healthy bone structure and need a simpler treatment plan. And here's the biggest thing to remember. Dental implants are not only about replacing teeth. They're also about function, comfort, long-term health, and confidence. The right implant isn't simply the one with the biggest price tag. It's the one designed for your specific situation. Subscribe and join the journey for more dental videos, smile transformations, and realistic 3D medical animations.